Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm going to show you how to make a 3 double crochet popcorn today. That's this one here right on the end. It's only got 3 double crochet in it. Now it's not common that you come upon a 3 double crochet popcorn. They're usually 4 or 5s, and if you just look you can see slight variations in the bulk of them. So that's the 3 here, that's the 4, and that's the 5. So if you just take a look you can see that they're slightly bulkier as you add more double crochet into them. And like I said, I've never come across one, but recently I have, and so I'm going to show you how to make it. And you should always trust your pattern because the designer has a specific goal in mind, because you can see how crowded these two are here because they're large, and not so crowded over here with the 3 and the 4. But once you start getting bigger and bigger, and imagine if I put another 5 double crochet popcorn there, there's bulk that the designer may not need in that particular spot. So let's show you how to make the 3. I've got videos for the other 2, but let's do the 3. And it's no different from a regular popcorn. It consists of double crochet that are then pulled together to form this little popcorn, and you know, for effect. Get back. So I'm going to show you how to make the 3 double crochet popcorn. It's no different than the other 2, except that there's only 3 double crochet in it. So these are double crochet. I'll make one more. You should know how to make a double crochet, I hope. If not, I believe I have a video. Anyway, yarn over, pull up a loop. So you have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops twice. That's your double crochet. So what we're going to do now is put 3 of them in one space. I'm just going to chain and move across a little bit. So now we're just going to make 3 double crochet into the one space. If it's a 4 double crochet popcorn, we'd put 4 in. If it's a 5 double crochet popcorn, we'd put 5. So there's 3. Now to make the popcorn, you take your hook out. You put your hook under the top loops of the very first one. Now if there are other stitches beside, you've got to be careful. Don't go anywhere else but under the first one like that. Put the working loop through, pull it through again, and there's usually a closing chain. So you should check your stitch abbreviations for your pattern as to whether there is a closing chain. That's the 3 double crochet popcorn. It's exactly like any other one. I'm going to put a extra chain in for space. I'll come over here and do another one. 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Pull the hook out. You don't have to yank it out. Just leave it loose. It's not going to go anywhere. You're only going to be out for seconds. Hook under the top loops of the first double crochet, pull the working loop through, and a closing chain. That's all it is. Very thin. And I'll just do a 4 double crochet one, or maybe I'll do a 5 double crochet one, just to show you how different they can be and how much room they take up. So let me just put 5 double crochet into this stitch. So there's 5 double crochet right there. Pull out the hook, grab under the top loops of the first one, pull the loop through, and a closing chain. And look at the difference in bulk. Not only does it stick out further, let me just take the hook out and show you, maybe a top view there. So it sticks out further. Sorry, let me get things out of the way. It's bulkier. So here's the 5, the 4 and the 3, and you can see the difference in their thickness. So always trust your pattern and your designer to know why they're doing a specific thing at a specific time. My poor tutorial square is seeing better days. So there it is. I'll do one more 3 double crochet popcorn, so just so that, oops, I didn't mean to do that, but I'll redo it. Let's go. Yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2 twice, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 3 double crochets, hook under the first top loops, pull the yarn through, closing chain. So check your pattern, as to whether they need that closing chain or not. Always check. I've done patterns where they've used the closing chain, and I've done some patterns where they've deliberately left it off, so check. Alright, so there's your 3 double crochet popcorn. Hope you got some value out of that, just in case you ever come across it. But like I said, it hasn't been often that I have. But anyway, the technique is no different to any other popcorn. That's all you need to remember. So there's 2 in a row. One there, one there. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Catch you in the next vid.